Come kids, listen to the story of the bunny's new rainy glory. One little bunny went out to play, jumped in a puddle and shouted, "Hey!" Umbrella flew high in the windy sky. Another bunny shouted from far, "Oh my! Come back, bro! It's raining heavy today!" Two little bunnies began to slide, playing in rain with so much pride. Both slipped down in the muddy lane. Oops! It's like a washing machine. Three little bunnies began to sing. Rain is falling, let's all swing. Lightning flashed, they got a fright. The fourth bunny said, "Don't worry, I've my umbrella tight." Four bunnies made a paper boat. Riding together, they began to float. The river carried them far away. Hey, it's Titanic today! Five bunnies came back home again. Mommy served hot soup in the rain. All smiled and said with cheer, "Rainy fun is best of the year!" So kids, remember this for sure. Have fun, but stay safe and pure.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.